Right, how are you? So, I've got this very, very key product during lockdown. If you're anything like me and you can't get to the hairdressers, bearing in mind I'm a bit of a unique story because I haven't been to the hairdressers since before Christmas. I had to cancel and then I had to cancel again and then I rebooked for April, and of course, you know, we had the lockdown and everything else, so I've got to use this. It's basically something, I've ordered it off. It's not sticky. I've ordered it off Amazon. It's called Wow Colour, and I've ordered it in the colour of dark blonde. Just purely so one, I can colour in the greys because that's exactly what it does. I know you don't think I've got much grey. You probably can't see it too well in this light, but take a look there. Take a look there. Yep. You see that grey there? Let me just show you what I can do here. That grey there, because that's quite a good patch of grey to show you on. You just brush it on. You can use the small end as well for some preciseness. So around here, it's really good for those fine bits. So I suppose grey's looking better there. I love this product, by the way. Every single time I wash my hair now, I just spend 5 minutes putting this in, and it takes away the fact that, you know, I haven't had my hair dyed for 4 months.